I'm a designer who codes as well, and therefore I would like to share with you how I set up my Figma files, so to be very efficient. I'm Leo. I used to work for Porsche as a designer, and now I'm developing my own products. So let's dive right in. I just finished the technical POC for my upcoming product Leos, and therefore we are using this project as a reference. So the very first thing is I create 3 pages: components, views and explorations. Starting on the views page, I always create an artboard with the worst dimensions possible. As we develop a web application, I use the base web layout. A little detail that's very important to me is naming the artboards right away, as they will be named in the code as well, so that it's easier to communicate a large language model, a developer, or to myself, hey, what do I currently editing? I editing the boot view. For me, it's very important to start coding very fast, and therefore I will set up my tokens next. For the purpose of being fast, I really just created a collection for color tokens, and we will create a new color. After I defined the colors, for example here the background, I apply them right away. This is a very important step from my perspective, because I don't want to overthink. Oh yeah, let's spend hours in providing just a color palette and plenty of tokens I might never use. And therefore I apply them right away when I create them. If I don't have a certain use case where to apply variables or anything else right away, they are unnecessary. Then I create a component from the artboard, duplicate it and put it next to it here. Because I always want to see both variations that I'm currently exploring. Especially for the colors, it's the light and dark mode. The benefit of doing so is you can see right away where you don't tokenize and where a token is broken. So if I pass something, for example, like this letter here, system is booting, you see, okay, it does not apply. So we need a new token for fonts. So after setting up this, you can see I define the scope as well right away. So therefore, it's super easy for me and developers later on to see, oh, okay, I can only apply it to a certain element. So I click primary, and as you can see, the views are updated right away because these are components. I would like to emphasize that no one cares about your Figma files. You only need them because they are the reference for you for implementation. Everyone cares about the product and the experience they have with your product. So therefore, don't spend so much time into the Figma files, but start to implement right away. Let people experience your product. Just like the very first part on how to set up the base layer for tokens and artboards. Next, we will view into the components. So let me know what you're thinking, and see you later, guys.